The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now it had came to my attention that a fly made international news when that fly landed on Mike Pence's head during a debate in the United States of America.
There's
a fly in Pence's head. Oh my God!
I want to point it out that this is not the first video I saw on social media that shows an insect on someone's head while they're on camera. Here's a video that shows Donald Trump.
It's going to be about security. We're going to have great security. We're going to have great borders. We're going to have the wall. We're going to have the wall. We're going to have that wall.
It might not be the same way as how it had happened to Mike Pence, but however, I also saw a video that shows when an insect bothered Barack Obama while he was on camera.
Cordray to continue leading the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. This guy's bothering me here.
I also saw a video that shows when Barack Obama smacked one of those insects.
Nice.
So when I saw news reports and videos on social media about a fly that landed on Mike Pence's head, I'm saying to myself, so what? What's the big deal? It could have happened to anyone. It can happen to anyone. You see? I also saw memes and videos on social media that said something like this. Flies always land on. What? Land on what? It is never good to degrade anyone. It is never good to disrespect anyone, no matter what. And that's my belief. You see? Here's a question. How would you feel to know or hear someone disrespecting or degrading you in any way possible? I wouldn't feel good about it. So therefore, I will try my best never to disrespect or degrade anyone. No one is perfect, but I will try my best not to do that. You understand? Now I'm going to present to you a video that's going to show a person talking about Donald Trump and talking about some things that persons said about Donald Trump that are considered to be bad towards Donald Trump. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Y'all have to forgive my less than tussled coif, and y'all have to forgive my rough looking appearance. I'm cleaning, and something fell in my spirit. Let me tell you guys something. Do not let Donald Trump send y'all to hell. Now let me tell you what I mean by that. I know it's hard for us to want to forgive this man. I know it's hard for us to want to pray for this man because of his evilness, his just absent-mindedness, his Lord, there's so many different adjectives I could describe. His incompetence, his lack of empathy, his lack of compassion for other people. And to know that we've had over 208,000 people lose their lives with this coronavirus, and to see him suffer partially the same fate. I know some people, of course, believe it's karma. But my Christian brothers and sisters, let me tell you something. If we read our word, it tells us we must forgive a man 70 times 7 daily. We got to pray for our enemies. So those of you that are around here wishing this man dead and this, that, and the third, do I care for Donald Trump? No. Let's just be transparent. No. Am I ready to see him out of office? Like yesterday. Is he good for the American people? Not at all, in my personal opinion, in which I am entitled to. However, never would I wish death upon another human being. And for us, we have to be careful of the things that we speak with our mouths, because that very hole that you dig for someone else will be the hole that you fall into. So I said that to say this. I know we're not pleased with Donald Trump. I'm ready for him to go. I know he's a racist. I know he's bigoted. I know all these things, and I'm on that same page with you all. But here's what I will not do. I will not let Donald Trump send me to hell. And what I will do is I'm going to let Donald Trump go to hell all by himself. So what I'm going to do is do what I know how to do. I'm going to sit back, keep my prayers going up, asking the Lord to render justice. And I'm going to sit back and I'm going to watch the salvation of the Lord. I'm going to tell you again, do not let Donald Trump send y'all to hell. God bless you, and I love you.
Viewers and subscribers, the understanding that I get from the things that this lady had said is do not wish bad on a person. Even if you disagree with the things that the person had done and said, don't wish bad on that person. I respect that. Yes, I respect that. Now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is about this whole thing where it is said that a fly landed on Mike Pence's head. And I'm presenting this video to you just in case if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, do not have a proper understanding as to what had happened. You're going to hear persons talking in the background of this video, and you're going to see a television. So therefore, it's like this video is showing a television showing the video that shows when the fly landed on Mike Pence's head. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
There's a fly in Pence's head. Oh my God!
We are talking about an election in 27 days.
Oh!
The President of the United States took a debate stage in front of 70 million Americans and refused
He didn't feel that!
And it wasn't like he didn't
That's
have
crazy!
He didn't do it, and then he doubled down. And then he said,
There's a fly in his head, people!
stand up.
Look!
This is a part of a pattern of Donald Trump's.
He's right out now!
Racists and criminals. He instituted as his first act a Muslim ban.
Hey, we can't see that.
You don't see it.
No.
People were peacefully protesting.
Hold on, man.
The need for social justice, where a young woman
We
was
don't
killed,
think tomorrow.
and
We
on the
don't hear
other
that.
side, nationalists were carrying teepees, shouting racial epithets. Anti-Semitic.
Oh my God! Romeo, did you see that fly?
There were fine people.
Grace had just come on. There was a fly in Spence. Said, I'm going to share this live. Look, there was a fly in his head.
Bring our country together.
Viewers and subscribers, and I read. I know I'm looking at it and I'm saying to myself, what's the big deal? I mean, I've seen videos out there that shows when a fly pitched on persons, you see me? I'm looking at it and saying maybe it's because this had happened during a debate, or maybe it's because this had happened to the Vice President of the United States of America. You see me I say? But on a real, I'm still saying to myself, what's the big deal? I mean, so many videos I saw out there that shows when a fly or flies pitched on persons. You see me? And me not see where those videos make news certain ways. You see me? And even if it make news, the focus is not on the fly. Our flies, you understand? Some of the times. You see me I say, unless it is some form of sanitary news, like somewhere dirty and the flies and these things is there and they are reporting about pollution and them things. You understand? Yeah, that's a different topic, but it just really amazes me to see some of the things that get a buzz on social media and reach out on news reports some of the time. Some of the things that when we see, you see me, if it's up to me, I would say that it's just unnecessary in a way. You understand? Me not disrespect anyone of viewers and subscribers. Really and truly, I'm not disrespecting anyone. I'm not putting down anyone or anything. This is just my opinion towards it. I'm saying that it just really and truly just, it make me have a laugh. You understand? Yeah, but you see the disrespecting part of it though, me not really too with the disrespecting part. You see me I say? Yeah, so I have to point that out because that's one of the things we see happening with this whole thing about the fly that landed on Mike Pence's head. You see me I say? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. Yes, so may I say, you can let me know what you think overall about the videos. Alright, yeah, I'm not going to explain much more. Right about now, this is where I'm going to leave it. Alright, if you want to contact Dancehall Skilla, read the description down below this video and choose one of the options to contact me. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.